Alrighty, friends, we're going to reread these last few pages and continue using our think marks to help us annotate. All afternoon, Emma sat in her empty room. It seemed somehow larger and brighter. No more pictures, Emma murmured. Then something made her jump. From the corner of her eye, she thought she saw something move behind her. She knew there was only the wall there, all bare now, yet she turned as if to catch sight of something flying away. She gave a cry. Alrighty, so let's get ready to annotate with our think marks. We know that there's nothing behind Emma, but she feels like she sees something behind her. She's imagining something behind her, and we can visualize it. You guys see that bird in the picture as if something was flying away? Is that bird really there? No, we know the bird is not really there because the text tells us. She thought she saw something move behind her. She knew there was only the wall there, all bare now. So there's nothing there because she took everything away. But she feels like she sees something. So let's use the eyeball to annotate, to visualize. We know that feeling. We talked about how during community circle in my class, we talked about how sometimes you feel like there's something there even when it's not, and that can feel scary. So we know that feeling, so we can visualize there being something there even when it's not. We also know that she's surprised. She gave a cry. So we want to use the exclamation part since this is a surprising part in the story. She is surprised that there's something behind her. On this next page, Emma rushed outside. It can't be, she said, breathing faster. She saw the eyes watching her and then the faces of the creatures all around. She knew them from before. She had thought she would never see them again. I can see you, Emma cried with joy. The trees rustled as if laughing, and then it was quiet. So there are lots of things that we can annotate on this page. I want to ask a question about why does she say that she knew them from before? I'm going to go ahead and put my question mark right near where it says she knew them from before. What creatures? How does she know them from before? Are they the creatures that she was drawing? Are they the creatures she saw in her rug? Yeah, I think so. And that question, asking that question about the text, why does Emma say she knew them from before, helps me figure that out. That's why we've been using our think marks to help understand the text better. We know that she saw the creatures from before in her rug, using her imagination. I can see you, Emma cried with joy. This time she's crying out, not because she's sad, not because she's scared. She's crying with joy. I can see you, Emma cried with joy. So I'm going to put an exclamation mark right next to where it says cried with joy. When you cry, that means that you shout. So the word cry when we read doesn't always mean to cry like you're sad. It can just show, crying can just show that you're excited or have a lot of emotions about something as well. And then it was quiet. Let's use our thought bubble think mark to make a prediction here. Why do we think it was quiet? Is it because there was real creatures there? Yeah, there was no creatures there, so it's going to be quiet. It's just Emma. What do we think Emma's going to do next? Is she scared of the creatures still? No, she's not scared anymore because she cried with joy. Let's read the next page and think about what's going to happen next. We have a clue that something else is going to happen because all of a sudden it got quiet. We have no text on this page, but we see Emma drawing. That's so exciting because does Emma still have her rug? No, but she is able to still draw. How is she still able to draw? That's right, she's using her inspiration from the things that she sees around her. Even though she doesn't have her rug anymore, Emma is still able to be inspired and use her creativity. So let's put a little heart to annotate this last page now that Emma is able to draw again. I hope you guys liked watching me use the think marks, and now that you've gotten to see me use it lots of different times, it's going to be your turn to practice.